What's up, you guys? I figured I'd give you guys a little raw footage of how I feed my dogs. So I hope you guys enjoy it, and just see, spending time with my dogs, and hopefully I'll knock down the camera. Yeah. So it's general what I do every single day. See my kennel setup. First I like to put out the trays of food, kind of discipline them a little bit to wait, and then I serve the food. And then I replace the water and everything. And then serve. Again, after I give them the food, it teaches them to kind of be patient, not to kind of attack the food or anything. I don't know, I should like doing that. And see, the neighbor's dogs are fucking barking, so you want to bark. Hey! Hey! Stop. I don't like having the dogs a little excited when they're eating, because then too much energy. So they might tussle over the foods and stuff like that. So I like to keep them calm whenever I'm out here, and it prevents too when you have a lot of people coming over. I can have my dogs loose and don't jump all over people. So if you have that problem, that's probably what it is. You don't want your dogs kind of too hyper and running around everywhere. A lot of energy in one spot. Playing is cool, but when you have too much energy, I want to calm down. Hey. I like give them a little distance even when serving food. Just make them submit a little bit. Titan's the hardest one. You guys see me working with him a little bit throughout this little session. He's the most difficult one. He likes to be stubborn, so come on. Stop. Hey, sit. You guys didn't really catch that enough. Right now, I'm take you guys into the kitchen. I'm gonna give Dorian this right here, just one scoop, and then I haven't started giving Bailey this yet, just because she's a little young, and I like to wait until they're 6 months old to give them raw. I'm gonna give Dorian some drumsticks, but give me 1 second. Alright, I'm back. So, 1 second, I'll show you guys exactly what I did. Let me give you guys a little tour of the kennel setup while they're eating. But, so, gave Dorian some drumsticks. Usually give him a thigh or a breast as well. But he finished that, so I'm just giving him 2 drumsticks. And then I give my cattle dog, we give him Beneful, Sam's Club brand. And we give him and her and Titan, a Great Dane, this because they've been eating this pretty much their whole life. So I kind of don't want to switch them up. They do so well with it. Back up. Hey. They do so well with it, so we just leave them on that. And the reason I give her such a little bit, she's around the same amount as Bailey does, because she's on a diet. She has this I don't know, I guess hip problem, or she's like prone to that. She's like I got her from the pound. I rescued her, and I guess, you know, like she just developed that, you know. She didn't come from a breeder or anything. So I took it to the vet, and they said, well, you can either do surgery, which really won't really help the situation. It could potentially make it worse. You know how it is with knee surgery. So either that, or I keep her weight on. So I feed her about a cup, and that seems to be working. She doesn't limp anymore. She used to limp. And hey, sometimes he doesn't like to submit. Hey. My little wannabe. Sees Mulan stuff. He seems to think he can do whatever he wants. So, but yeah, so I feed them both that. There's no reason to take them off of it. Bailey. So I just keep them that way. I feed them that. So I like to keep them both their weight down, because Great Danes are prone to that as well, the knee problems. Hey. So okay, so here's the no, actually no, not feeding. Right now I'm gonna change the water. I'm gonna just put you guys on hold real quick and cut off and cut back on, and then when I cut back on, I'll have all that water changed, which is over there, and the individual waters in the kennels. And usually only kept in the kennels during feeding time, just because I just got home. Usually it doesn't take me this long. Usually I'm in and out 15 minutes, but if you put them in the kennels, they drink water, keep them there for about an hour and a half, then take them out. You know, when cause I'm actually going to bed right now. My mom wakes up, she just takes them out, and they, you know, chill and walk around or whatever, and then they put them back in the kennels every once in a while when I do for training or whatever. They're not here all day, so they're happy dogs, not kenneled. I just have these for specific purposes. But yeah, so I'll cut back and I'll show you guys the setup. Actually, like really show you setup in a little bit. I had a good shot of Bailey, but Dorian had to interrupt. Anyways, hey, back up. Camera trying to eat it. Okay, I just wanted to show you guys this. I give this about I don't know, probably every other day, 2 times, 3 times, probably 3 times a week. I give this, and it's pretty much for tight. Biting my. Anyways, and this is just for their teeth. I had a bad experience with my Chihuahua. She was like 13 years old, and she started getting like as she got older, like I guess her teeth started deteriorating and all that stuff, and and I didn't really know I didn't really know about all this stuff, so I looked into that, and so now I want to prevent that for all my dogs. So I put this on all the 3 of these, and yesterday I put some on some of that water, so I'm gonna just leave it and put it into these, and but they all get it, all of them. I don't want none of them to get that, so but yeah, okay. I'm gonna show you guys exactly how I feed. It's all in the way. Always feed the oldest first, and then feed the oldest first, which is Mary Jane. She gets to see it first, but I kind of like to test her a little bit and make her do things a little bit different. Now with the kennels, it'll all be easier for now. You let them go. You let them stay out here for about an hour to make them wait, because Mary Jane likes to take forever to eat, even though it's a little bit of food. So, hey. Mary Jane, inside. Mary Jane, Bailey, sit. Sit, hey. So, hey. And it's tight. What? Tanya has been behaving a lot lately. Mary Jane, don't you eat anymore. Stop. Back up. That way. To the end. Hey, come on. Back up. Sit. Mary Jane, hey. Good boy, Tom. Hey. Mary Jane, sit. Good girl. Eat. Hey. Alright. You can see, again, Mary Jane decided not to listen to me today. I had to work on her a little bit. I'm gonna keep working on it. And hey, leave him alone. It's his turn to eat. So, yeah, see, Dorian needs to respect that, see, so I kind of let him growl a little bit, to kind of tell him to back off. It's not his turn. Now, Dorian's turn. And where is the bucket? Oh, there it is. Baby, out. Come on. Out. Dorian, come. Come. Dorian, come. Inside. Come on, baby, stop. Work. 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 Go. Work. Work. Alright. Good boy. Eat. Good boy. I like give him a little pre-stack test or whatever before he eats. Well, baby's fine. Shit, I bet. Show you guys Bailey a little bit. Come. Hey. Work. Bailey's alright, she's more comfortable. I taught her more with the nose. Dorian, I'm still teaching him that, so he doesn't really like it still. But Bailey knows what's up. Puppy, I taught her a different little style, a little bit easier for me to stack in a ring. More comfortable for me. Good girl, work. Good girl, eat. Let me show her a little bit. See if I can. Second. So, in any case, so now they're all eating. Now the perfect time for me to get a nice shot of her. You see here, look at that. One little man. Yeah, mom likes that a lot. She has a little heart. Yeah, that's her and Dorian over there. Flexing. Dorian! See, he ain't gonna look at me at all today right now. Ain't like, So they'll be in here for now an hour and a half, and then I'm off too. I just came home from work, so off to bed. And then so yeah, it's a day-to-day thing here. You know what I'm saying? So I'm always training, trying to learn different things. It's a new method I'm trying out, but as you can see, you know, it's not the best. Mary Jane didn't listen to me a couple of times, but it's alright, you know. It's always a work in progress. I'm not saying I'm perfect or anything, but I just wanted to show you guys what I try to do. And that big boy, look at that, big dog. I need to get him a bigger bucket, like I don't know, a tower for him so he can eat a lot better. He don't ain't got a big bucket, but we had a bigger one. I'm not sure exactly where it's at, but so he can eat off of. I don't really like when he's crouched down either. So, yeah. Hopefully next time, by the time you guys do another video, hopefully I'll be able to figure something out, get him a bigger bucket. Or like this. Because his dad was huge. His dad had a tower about this high. He can eat and drink everything, and that's a good idea because all that water we put right here, once he drinks out of it, we gotta replace that shit because he's all slobbery. Oh boy. Boy. Let's see. Back up. Good boy. Well, dog, none of them are food aggressive or anything like that. But, anyways, I got cut off now, so I gotta go shower into bed. Tired, so I'll catch you guys later. Thanks for watching. Olympian Bullies out.